but there's how it's working. Obviously, this is at very slow speed, and I'm just mixing together chia seeds and linseeds. My stainless steel blender jar that I've made, it's stainless steel. It was round, and I've hammered in the sides to make it square, but at the bottom it is round. There, I'm in the workshop at the minute. So it's round at the bottom, then it's smashed in to be square, and then so it's square in the middle. And what happens is it rotates around the bottom bit and then comes up through the corners and then turns into a vortex. So I'll show you how this works. Let's just turn it on. So I'll turn that up a little bit. So it's rising up through the corners. Can you see that's rising up from the bottom in the corners? See there, it's rising up from the round bit beneath. So it goes circles at the bottom, then it rises up the corners, then it comes into a vortex in the middle. So I've called it the round tube vortex. So there's that. And it makes a perfect synergy for the blends. And it's the best blend jar I've ever had. Very simple to make. Cost me £18 for the jar, £4 for the blade. And I'll take this into far more detail. I'll show you how to make the blend jar and also how to make it into the best in the world. If you want a vacuum blender, it makes it into the best in the world vacuum blender. So if you click on the link at the end of this video, you can see all of that. But there's how it's working. Okay, so there it is through. There's a picture of it through the top, so I can get it, so that's good. And let's just turn the pump on. So the pump's on. Here we go, see it all coming up. There's it all bubbling away. So I'm going to turn that. Oh no, it's okay. Bubble, 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 bubble. It's all bubbling. So I'll let that bubble for a while, letting all the steam coming out. All right, so now I'll turn that off. Lock those. Let that steam calm down. Okay, now I'm not sure how much you'll see of this. I'm going to slowly turn this up. I've got to turn it on first. So we'll slowly turn this up. So so it's not very high at the minute because